Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ray and I will be going over a quick little introduction of my vehicles. So here is my 1996 Mustang Cobra, painted with the green stripes. And here is my 2004 F350 powerstroke. Both were painted by my father. He has an auto body shop back in Pennsylvania. And we'll mostly be going over a little project on the truck today. But stay tuned for more videos on both. Hey guys, we're gonna be switching out the stock mirror lights on my 2004 F350. We're gonna be going with these switchback LED lights that I got off of eBay. I'll show the whole installation process, removing the stock ones, connecting these, getting the polarity right, and we'll go from there. So here's what my stock ones look like. These are mirrors that are from A1 Auto. You're gonna wanna go ahead and put your mirror all the way up and over so you can get in and push this little tab right there. You're gonna push it and pull the light out at the same time, and this whole assembly will just pop right out. I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So here's a good comparison between the stock A1 Auto and here's the switchback LED. So all I did was remove the bulbs and plug in. The blue is the turn signal and the red is the running light. All you do is match up black to black, which is the ground, and then the blue and red are the power wires. With that combo, it will light up. And there you go. Now let's move on to the other side. And so here's a comparison. Here's the new switchback LEDs compared to the A1 Auto. Here's the flasher. And the flasher again. Now we're going to repeat this same process on this side, and I'll show you an overall result when I'm done. And here is both sides working. Overall, it's a great upgrade, I think, and it's fairly cheap to do. Simple swap, only takes about 10 minutes. Thank you guys for tuning in.